Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make your microphone sound better in Windows 11. So let's get started. If you want clearer audio for recordings, streaming, or calls, there are a few important settings you should adjust. First, go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and right-click the volume icon, then select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your speakers or headphones. This just controls where your audio plays. Next, scroll down to the Input section and make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you're using an external mic, ensure it's chosen instead of the built-in one. Now adjust the input volume. A common mistake is setting it to 100. This can cause distortion and clipping. Instead, set it to around 85 to 90 for cleaner sound with less distortion. After that, click on your selected microphone to open its advanced settings. Scroll down and make sure audio enhancements are turned off, as these can sometimes reduce clarity or add unwanted processing. Then find the Format drop-down and set it to the highest available sample rate, highest Hertz option. This improves audio detail and quality. Beyond Windows settings, you should also adjust your physical microphone properly. If your mic supports different pickup patterns, switch it to cardioid mode. Cardioid is ideal for voiceovers, streaming, and podcasts because it captures sound mainly from the front while reducing background noise from the sides and back. Make sure you're speaking directly into the front of the microphone, not the back or top, depending on the model. Keep your mouth about 4 inches away from the mic to avoid distortion while maintaining strong audio levels. Once you've applied all these adjustments, your microphone should sound noticeably clearer and more professional. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.